Cody and Jeffy, you guys come up to the class and be part of my election, and tell the class why they should vote for you as class president.
Alright, I'm gonna go first.
Alright, prepare to lose.
Alright, if you guys elect me as class president, then there will be no more homework ever again. Homework will be illegal.
No, I actually think we should have homework, because we might forget the stuff we learned at school, and we have to keep learning, because learning is power! Who's with me? Junior, don't throw paper balls at me!
Alright, change your plans. If I'm elected class president, then all the homework that we get will go to this guy, because he likes it so much.
No, okay, how about this? Watch this. How about, if I'm elected class president, we're gonna have healthier school lunches, like celery, so that means no more pizza. Junior, stop throwing things!
Well, if I'm elected class president, then every day will be pizza day. There will be pizza parties every single day. Your desk will be made out of pizza. You will even be made out of pizza.
No. Okay, how about this? If I'm elected class president, you don't have to wear clothes to school anymore. So like, you know how long it takes to get dressed in the morning? Well, you don't have to do that. You can just come naked, and no girls allowed.
Well, if I'm elected class president, you won't even have to come to school anymore!
But then you won't be president of anything. Okay, how about this? If you fail a test, you can retake it. How about that?
Well, if I'm elected class president, you won't even have tests anymore!
But you can't just do that.
Alright, class, I've heard enough. So who do you guys want to be the class president?
So who wants Jeffy for president?
Jeffy! Who wants Cody for president? Yeah!
Alright, class, we have a winner.